Hi, if your animal drawings are still looking flat after adding lots of fur, it probably isn't because you need more detail. One of the most common mistakes I see is focusing on the individual hairs before larger shapes and tonal values are working. Before I think about adding fur, I look for the lightest areas, the darkest areas, and the main midtones. Those larger shapes create the form of the animal. The fur then sits on top of and follows that form. So here we are with the latest work in progress, which is an otter tutorial for my art membership. You can see by the head area that this is where the layers have been completed and the fur details have been added on the topmost layer. The background fur in the corner there, that's out of focus, so the layers have been added but no fine details have been added because they're not required. Then you've got the part by the ear. This is in the process of building layers and it still needs more because the tooth of the surface is still showing through. So rather than trying to draw every hair you can see, step back from your reference and simplify it. Ask yourself, where are the main lights and darks? Once those foundations are in place, the details become much easier and much more effective. I've created a free guide covering 7 common mistakes that can stop drawings looking more three-dimensional, and you'll find the link to it in the comments. And one final thing, remember, realism begins long before the tiny details.